Hello friends, welcome back. I am Manish Wagle and this is DevLog episode 0 for going on. From past few days, I was thinking about creating a game for an Android device and publishing it on Google Play. And this video is all about that. The game going on, which I will be creating in next few weeks, will be an Android based game where there will be an path for the player to move. This will be an infinite running game where a player will be a sphere and there will be a lot of obstacles in his way. Since this is an Android game, player will have access to their touch by using which they can move their ball right, left, up and down. The camera speed will be continuously forward and whenever player touches any obstacle they die. So the objective is to move forward as far as you can without touching any obstacle. Of course, I will be creating few animations for the obstacle to make it more difficult and entertaining for the player to play, and create different model for the player to give the game a new look and sense of achievement as well. What I am also planning on doing is to create an in-game currency where user can pick the item from the level and after collecting few number of those in-game currency, he can buy new skin for the player or for the obstacle. I'm also thinking about implementing Facebook's SDK in the game so that you can challenge your friends on the game and enjoy the game even more. So this is the main concept art of the game, and I am thinking about completing the game within next 1 month or maybe 2, but I will complete it within 2 months. I'll be working around 4 hours a day twice a week, so that I will be working around 8 hours a week to complete the game. So it will not take a lot of my personal time as well, and I hope I can complete the game within 2 months. So if you are interested in the project or if you are interested in playing the game after it is completed, then please don't forget to like, share or subscribe. Mainly subscribe to the channel so that every time I update new things in the game, I will be creating a video and publishing it in the channel. So if you are interested in playing the game, then please you must consider subscribing. And also I am thinking about releasing the beta so that you can have early access of the game, because first thing I'm thinking about doing is creating the playing mechanism, and after the playing mechanism is done, then I will be implementing the other skin and how to implement that in the game, and I'm thinking about implementing the Facebook. So there will be time for releasing the game, and after I complete the mechanism for playing it. So please consider if you wanna play it before it is released in the Play Store. Thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy the series.